So today I'm going to be installing Go and configuring Emacs to work with Go. Before I install Go, I'm going to go ahead and set up Go mode and everything in Emacs. If you don't have Emacs installed and want to install it from source, I have another video where I actually install Emacs from source, and you can check out that video. I'll have the link below in the notes. But here I already got Emacs installed and kind of customized to my liking. So what I'm going to do is set it up for Go editing. So the first thing, I have it open, so now I'm just going to go to EscapeX, which is MetaX. Okay, and I'm going to go to list packages. There are a couple of packages that I need to install, and if you don't have this where you can install packages from here, in my Emacs installation video I'll also set that up so you can Melpa and Elpa. So that's what I'm using to get these packages. Okay, so we're just gonna page down a bit. There's basically there's a lot of Go packages that you can install, but I just want to install two right now: Go mode and fly check. So, okay, getting closer. See, they have Go autocomplete, all of that, and I'll install that in a later video, but I'm just looking for a Go mode. It's a major mode for the Go programming language. So, and they got LDoc and all of that, but we're just going to do Go mode for right now. So just click on it, install it. Yes, I want to install Go mode. Great. Okay, and okay, let's go back up to fly check right here. And fly check, it says on the fly syntax checking. That's really helpful in Go, where some things are strictly enforced and your code won't compile right if you don't have the syntax just right, and the formatting. So great. So that's all we need installed. So and now to go into Go mode, you just press Escape X, which is Meta X again, and say Go mode, and we're in Go mode. Okay, now there are a few things that I want to do. Okay. Okay, so this is just a test Go. I'm not gonna really run it or anything, but let me just say, like, because a Go program goes like package main. That's the package name. Import the format, and I'm going to get to this kind of stuff in another video, actually, Go programming, but I'm just making just the basic Go mode program hello world. Alright, so you see everything's set up in here. You got your syntax highlighting and everything for Go. But I don't like this. This is just way too much space for me. I kind of like the 2 spaces, so I'm going to go and edit my .emacs file, which if you watch my Emacs video, it's in here. It's a .emacs file. If you don't have that file, you can create it. I have mine right here with some customizations in it, and I'm gonna add some more customizations for Go mode. So let's see what we want to do first. I want to set the tab spacing to 2. So it's kind of tricky sometimes because it depends on the language and everything. So what works for Go mode is adding a hook. So you add the hook, a Go mode hook. And while I'm talking about tab spaces, let me change it in here in gedit. I don't like, see, first I'm going to use spaces instead of tabs, and I'm going to set it to 2. Okay, so as I was saying, so let's continue with this. So here, got your tab width 2. And this is just a to set Go format. So if you do the Go format to reformat your code for Go mode, it knows to do that with this tab spacing, which is 2. Okay. Okay, and one last line. We don't want tabs, want spaces, and want tab width to be 2. Okay. And put the quotes. Okay, save that. Okay. Okay, so Got test.go. Let's go to Emacs and open a file. So it's going to keep this original because that's what I had it as. So let's create another one. Test2.go. And we're going to basically do the same thing. Package main. Import. Import format. No, it's not doing it right. You see, because that should have. So I've got to check my function to make sure I did it right. I must have left something out, because it should automatically pick this up here. See, so that's not correct, so I'm gonna just leave that out. Okay, and go back to my .emacs. I obviously messed something up, so let me look at this code, and I have the right code on my site. So let me check. Okay, add. Okay, that's wrong right there. Lambda. Okay, let's just try and see if that was most of it. Okay, so let's try it again. Let's see, can we see, can I get it right? Alright, so we got package main, so what we're trying to do, import. There it is, that's right. I think. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Function main. Yes, it is working right now. I just had the B off lambda missing, so everything's working correctly. Great. I'll just finish typing the program. It's not much more. And you see how it knows that I'm missing something at the end, which is the new line, the way that I have it set up, because I got the escape character. See, if I didn't have the escape character, it would be fine. So it knows I need to put something there. So it's real good for catching stuff like that. And there it is. So I've got my editor, Emacs, set up for Go. Now I need to actually install Go. So there's a couple of ways to install Go. You can download it here from golang.org /DL, which is one of the things I've done, and the current stable version is the Go 1.5.1. There's also, if you're using Ubuntu 14.04, which I'm using, you have a Ubuntu has this PPA now for UMake. So let me type in Ubuntu, and it'll take me to this page. Ubuntu Make is the developer tools, and they've recently added Go here. So and it's you can go and install Ubuntu Make. Let's see if the PPA is listed here. Yeah, you can add this PPA repository, do sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get install Ubuntu Make, and then after that you can make Go, and that's a good way to do it too. The good part of that is that it keeps it up to date on your own. The versions don't change quite frequently, but this would keep it up to date without you having to think about it. I just prefer not to do it that way, so right now what I do, I download it from source. So we look here, I've already downloaded the Linux version. I have a 64-bit machine, so I downloaded the 64-bit. They have regular 32-bit also, so we can just close that and go about installing Go. So now I have this. So now I'm going to extract the Go tarball to user local. So I'm just going to do this sudo tar-c user local xvf Go, and I don't want to type all of that. I only have one Go thing in here, so let's do that. Okay, so that's done. So now I need to go to my .profile file. So if we go here, let's see if let me go to my home directory and view hidden files, and I have a .profile. If you didn't have one, you would just create one. It's no big deal. Okay, so I just go down here to the bottom of my .profile file, and I need to add to my path user local go bin, and we can look at that right here at the terminal. I can ls user local go bin cd to it. Anyway, so we see Go is right here, so that's what we're adding to the path. So let's go ahead and export that path. So I would say export path equals path user local go bin. Okay, so I'm gonna save that, and I'm gonna also go to my terminal, change back to my home directory, and I'm just gonna make it the Go work directory, because I have to set up a Go workspace directory for Go, and also set Go path in the profile. So we'll be back in that profile in just a moment. So let's go ahead and make dir Go work. So now we have Go work there. So now we're going to export the Go path. So what you do is go back to your profile and say export Go path environment variable equals home Go work. Okay, so have that set up. So now I've got my path set up, so I'm going to save that, and now I need to do a couple of more things in the Go work folder. So what I need to do is create two directories. I need to create a bin directory inside of Go work and a source directory inside Go work. That's just how things are set up with Go. So I'm gonna make dir Go work bin and Go work source. So ls Go work. So I got bin and source in there. So now I need to reload the profile, my profile, so that these settings take place. So it's a couple of ways to reload. You can say source your home directory dot profile, and that's source with an E, or you can remove the source and put a dot, and the dot stands in for source, and either way. So now you can echo path, and you see goes in the path now, and you can also echo Go path, and it's there. So everything's set up. I could have put these in other directories, but this is the simplest, and there are other Go variables to set up, but right now, just to get started, these are the essential ones. So now what I want to go do is we can close that because I'm going to do it from the command line. I'm just going to go say Emacs Go work. So my my hello.go, which is going to be a hello world program, has to be in this source directory. So we're going to go Emacs home directory Go work source, and the name of the file is going to be hello.go. Okay, so now we're in hello.go, and we're just gonna do a hello like I've been typing in. So package main, import, and we're just going to do import like this for now, since we only have one import and this is just a simple little program. Set up the main function, and this is this right here has to be like this. You can't I'm going to go into this later, but you can't do this. This is the way I prefer to do it. I love doing my functions and methods like that, but that is illegal in Go, so I have to do it this way. So fmt dot printf hello world. Okay, and that's it. So save that, and now we're gonna go to here and new terminal. I should have ran that a different way. So now we're gonna compile the program, and how you compile is you're just gonna say go install hello. Go's not installed. Let's see what I did wrong. Okay, go. Okay. Cannot find package hello in any okay. Let me just make sure I got everything right. Okay, go work. Oh, I know what I did. I'm supposed to make a folder, I think. Hello. That's it. Okay, so we made these two source folders, the bin and the source. So what I also need to do, it's when I make a program, I need to make a folder for it. So this is hello, and then hello.go goes inside of that. Yay. Okay, so we got that figured out. Okay, and now I'm going to run it. So go path bin hello. That's it. It's installed and it's working. So now I have a working system, a working Emacs editor with Go mode enabled, and I have code highlighting and everything, and Go is installed properly on the system. Okay, so we can do that. We can go doc. We can look up that function we just did from format printf. Oh, I said doc. It's supposed to be go doc. Okay, and see, it gives us a summary of what parameters it takes, what the return values are, and what it actually does. So this is useful if you're offline. You can still get information on the packages and the functions available. So that's it for installing Go, configuring Emacs, that's the editor for Go, and setting up your profile so that you can use Go on the command line. So that's it, and in my next video I'll actually start doing some basic Go.